gonna do it.
Well, it barely turned the tires over on dry pavement. What should we?
Kind of embarrassing, bro. I would say let's turbo this thing. So let's go to you pull it.
Yeah, we're gonna go to U-Pull-It, see if we can, I don't know, find, I've always heard of people doing 6.0 turbos, like Power Stroke turbos. You see anything over there? Right here trying to find a Power Stroke turbo, but not having any luck.
We might have to look in that specialty slot.
Special lot. All of the newer stuff is back up front in a different area. I think we may have to go over there and look. Not having any luck on finding turbos.
I don't see anything.
Maybe an LS. Here's a Yukon. That's a Denali. That's 6.0.
And it's good.
Gone, of course.
Gone.
I may or may not have something at the shop that we can put in instead of an LS. LS, gone. I'm not seeing anything that's gonna work for us. This wind is crazy too. All right, no turbos, no LS's here. It's a good thing we weren't acting fools, because there's a cop. And we're rolling out here with a buddy of mine. This is a truck that I just put the 6-liter in like a week or two ago. It's a Crate 6.0.
She ain't gonna do it. See what's it? Hey, see what we got in the truck.
Here, no.
Presto. Here, dump some of that on there. Little enhancement never hurt anyone.
I'm gonna have to roll through it and back up into it.
Jeez, I hope that's enough. There's a dude out here on the tractor. Hey.
Oh, got it everywhere.
There you go. Well, that definitely helped. That worked a lot better.
Posy too. We got some good baseline information on the Tahoe today. We done a couple dig races with the 6-liter LS. We did get it to spin tires and do a burnout, but only thanks to some Dextron transmission fluid. Hopefully all of that is about to change. Next video, we are going to be throwing nitrous on this thing. I was gonna just order a kit today, but called a buddy of mine and he actually has a partial kit, so I'm just gonna order some pieces that it needs to be complete. And I think we're just gonna throw it on here and probably tap into the cold air and just spray it. I think he has 50 shot set up. I'd like to spray more than that, but I think we're gonna start out with 50 shot and
race the same truck and see what it does with the nitrous on it.
Yeah, we'll run that same truck again and see what kind of difference it makes. And hopefully the motor doesn't blow up, but if it does, then we've got some other plans as well. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. See ya.